like, okay, walk now. Go, go.
Now.
It's early, give them a break.
It's showtime.
All right. Well, let's talk about that weather we've got going on. We've got a little bit of fog out there. I don't know if that's impacting the drive this morning or not, but certainly we do need to be careful with that.
Yeah, I definitely want to make sure to pay close attention. Not only are we dealing with the visibility issue, but because of the fog coinciding with temperatures that are below the freezing point, we could see some fog that is called freezing fog. This is simply fog that freezes on any elevated surfaces. So fog is actually just a cloud that's on the surface. It is made of water droplets, and whenever we have water droplets in temperatures underneath 32 degrees, that's super cooled water, and whenever that lands on any surface, it's going to freeze. That's what creates the slick spots when we're talking about freezing fog. That's also what could bring us the potential for black ice. This will only happen when visibility is like this, very limited. This is a look over Lake Travis at the Oasis. And the reason it looks this color, by the way, it's just because of the light reflecting off of it. As we look towards downtown, it's a little difficult to see the UT Tower. Again, that's because of fog. Temperature at Camp Mabry is 32, at the airport 26. Our air is actually pretty dry, but because of the lingering moisture on the ground due to Sunday's snow and rain, we still have that fog being produced. Visibility under half of a mile in Austin, about 5 miles in Giddings, 5 in Cameron. This is mostly happening east of Interstate 35. Widespread freeze in the area. 27 right now at Westlake and in Round Rock, 24 in Manor, 28 in Pflugerville. It is just cold out there. 25 in Fredericksburg, 32 in Mason. The temperatures will climb to above freezing by around 9 or 10. That's also when we start to see this fog lifting. By the afternoon, a high temperature of 52. We are going to see some clouds rolling through for the afternoon and evening. It clears overnight, and by tomorrow morning, that temperature drops to 33 degrees. The reason we see the sunshine is all thanks to high pressure. It's also why we are going to warm up in the afternoons, but the cloud cover, all thanks to an upper level low that's kind of just swinging through the state. It's not going to bring us anything other than clouds. Thursday night into Friday, that's when that next front comes in. It's going to bring colder and windy conditions. Windy on Thursday, slightly cooler on Friday. We're not going to see any rain out of this. It is way too dry for that to happen. Next chance of rain will be Sunday into Monday. Accumulations of less than half of an inch of rain expected. The allergy forecast will stay medium for cedar and for mold. The KVUE app and the Statesman's where you can stay updated on that. So that high pressure, remember I told you about that. That's the reason our temperatures climb every afternoon. A high of 63 on Wednesday, 70 degrees on Thursday. That puts us about 10 degrees above what's considered average for this time of the year. We drop down to 60 degrees on Friday. And yes, the mornings stay chilly. We're talking 30s in the mornings the next several days.